In this video, I will show you how to make a simple iPhone style chat pop-up animation. First, let's make a new composition. I will keep it vertical size like real size, and now I will add a white solid for the background. Now I am gonna bring in a screenshot. I have got two screenshots here. One is just an empty chat background, and the other one has the actual chat message that I want to animate. So, I am going to position my chats like this so that when we animate them, they come up from behind the keyboard. Next, I will duplicate the background screenshot and place it above my chat so the chat doesn't reveal yet. Now, I will mask this so I only have the keyboard part visible. So we need this because the chat should reveal from behind the keyboard, and I will duplicate it again and delete the recent mask I made and create another mask, this time for the header area. So this way when we scroll the chat it will also go behind the header. Now I am going to parent this to the background image. Now I will add position keyframes like this so the chat slides upward. I will animate the rest of the chats in the same way using position keyframes. Then I will easy ease the keyframes, open the speed graph and adjust it. You can also just copy my speed graph. Now, as you can see, the text is still visible because my screenshot has that part. So I will mask this area too and invert the mask so it's not visible anymore. And I have adjusted all the keyframes with the music. So when the lyrics come in, the chats pop up in sync. I will make all the layers 3D. Then I will add a camera and change the view, and now I'm gonna start adding keyframes to its properties. I like to keyframe all the properties because it's easier for me to adjust position, rotation and other settings. So now I will set it up in a way where my first chat pops up from this side. I will adjust it like this and bring it closer here. Yes, this looks good. You can do this however you like. You have full freedom to choose how the pop-ups should appear, and you can also just copy paste my settings. Now I will add keyframes to all the chats one by one as they pop up. The process is the same for all of them. I am just syncing my keyframes to the music when the words come in the lyrics. So that's when the chats pop up. Also, try using zoom in, zoom out, rotation with the camera to make it look even cooler. You can experiment with different angles. It really gives a more attractive 3D look. And yes, I am done. Now, lastly, I will add a drop shadow to my background so it will give some depth. And you can download the assets and project file from the link in my description. Try this out yourself. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.